Cochinita Pibil, a dish older than the country it is cooked in. From the Yucatan peninsula, where the Maya have been wrapping meat in banana leaves and roasting it in the earth for thousands of years. There is no secret spice blend, no hidden technique. There is only the achiote, the sour orange, the banana leaf, and time. 4 hours of time. Restaurants try to overcharge for what is, at its heart, the most patient kind of cooking. Tonight, we cook it the way it was always meant to be cooked. Servings 6. 20 minutes of preparation. 4 hours of slow roasting. Total time 4 hours and 20 minutes. 4 pounds of pork shoulder. 3.5 ounces of achiote paste. 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. 1.5 cups of orange juice. 2 banana leaves. And 1 whole red onion. Whisk the achiote paste into the orange juice and salt until it is completely dissolved. If the paste resists, do not be afraid to use a blender. The marinade must be smooth. The marinade must be the color of brick and earth, a deep red-orange that comes only from the seeds of the achiote tree. Score the pork shoulder deeply, cutting cross-hatched lines across the surface. This is what allows the marinade to find its way into the muscle fibers. Restaurants often skip this step. We will not. Line a heavy pot with the banana leaves, overlapping them so that no part of the meat will touch the metal. This is the modern stand-in for the pib. The pib, the Mayan word for the underground oven, dug into the earth, lined with hot stones, where this dish was born. Pour the achiote mixture over the pork, ensuring every inch is coated. Then fold the banana leaves up and over the top to create a steam-tight package. Cover the pot tightly with a lid and roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. 4 hours during which the collagen slowly dissolves into silk. 4 hours during which the pork becomes something it was not before. The banana leaves do their quiet work, releasing a smoky, tea-like aroma that parchment paper could never produce. While the pork rests, thinly slice the red onion. Soak the slices in a splash of orange juice and a pinch of salt. This is a quick pickle. The acid will turn the onion a brilliant magenta within minutes, and its sharpness will be the perfect counter to the richness of the pork. Shred the pork directly into its own juices. Do not drain them. Do not pour them away. The juices that have pooled in the bottom of the pot are liquid gold. The achiote, the orange, the rendered fat of 4 patient hours. They belong to the meat. History and cultural origins. The word pibil comes from the Mayan pib, an underground pit oven that has been used in the Yucatan for at least 3,000 years. The Maya would dig a hole in the earth, line it with stones heated until they glowed, lay the meat wrapped in banana leaves over the stones, cover everything with more leaves and a layer of earth, and let the earth itself do the cooking. The achiote tree, known to the Maya as cook soup, grows wild across the Yucatan peninsula. Its seeds are a deep brick red. Crushed into a paste, they stain everything they touch, the color of dried blood and warm earth. The Maya used achiote not only as food, but as paint for their bodies, for their codices, for their gods. Before the Spanish arrived in 1541, there were no pigs in the Yucatan. The Maya cooked wild boar, deer, and turkey in the pib. The dish was called pibilque, pibil of deer. When the Spaniards brought pigs, the Maya adapted. The new animals slipped into the old technique without complaint. The dish was renamed for the new ingredient, cochinita, little pig. In the Yucatan, Cochinita Pibil is not weekday food. It is a Sunday dish, a wedding dish, a funeral dish. It is what is served on Hanalpishan, the Yucatecan Day of the Dead, when families dig a fresh pib in the earth and cook for ancestors who, for a few nights only, are believed to return and to eat. Serve the cochinita shredded over warm corn tortillas, a spoonful of the magenta pickled onions, a wedge of lime if you have one. Eat it with your hands, the way it has always been eaten, the way it will always be eaten. Cochinita Pibil is the rarest kind of recipe, one that has survived conquest, 3 centuries of change, and the rise and fall of every cuisine that came after it. It survives because it was never trying to be impressive. It was only trying to feed the people who loved it. And the table, at last, is set.